Yo, what's up guys, during the scary time of my dead dog at 3 challenge actually works. 3, 2, 1, go.
Oh my god, there it is! Oh my god! Oh my god, guys, back with another 3 a.m. challenge right now. Me and Wesley are in a secret location, hidden from the people who came into my house, guys. If you haven't seen that video, link's gonna be in the description, guys. That's why I have on these glasses, guys, because check out my freaking eye. Oh my god, guys. After that happened, guys, I no longer feel safe in my house, guys. I have to move, but until then, I'm gonna be in random places until I find a new place to live. But I was thinking after that happened, if only I had my old dog with me, guys. That dog would protect me like a personal bodyguard, guys. Literally, that dog would do anything for me. But unfortunately, guys, he passed away, seriously. And he was only like 6 years old. It was so freaking sad, guys. I miss that dog more than anything. I loved him to death. His name was Baxter. I just loved him, guys. I miss Baxter. Pray for Baxter, guys. But tonight, I'm with my boy, Wesley. What's poppin', bro?
What's going on, J Nation? I miss you guys. I'm so glad to be back here with Jay to do another video, another banger video for you guys.
Me and Wesley are going to try to summon my dead dog, Baxter, guys. I'm gonna try the exact same way that I actually summoned my ex-girlfriend back from the grave, guys. Link for that video is also gonna be in the description, guys. Go watch it after this. Make sure you guys go follow my boy Wesley on Instagram at Wesley Killingsworth, guys. Go show him some love. Hit that subscribe button right now, J Nation. Let's hit 5 million before I die, guys. Like literally, and I almost died yesterday. So let's get that 5 million subscribers. It's been my lifelong dream, J Nation. And let's smash the like button, guys. Let's hit 50,000 likes. This is gonna be insane, guys. If we can raise up my dead dog Baxter, that is gonna make me feel so much better. Smash the like button for good luck, guys. Maybe you guys can learn how to bring back to life one of your pets that passed away. But with all that being said, J Nation, let's get it. Alright, guys, so it is officially 3 o'clock in the morning. This is Devil's Hour. This is the time that all the paranormal stuff happens the most, guys. This makes witchcraft, this makes all these rituals super easy.
Comixology is Amazon's premier digital comics, graphic novels, and manga reading experience. With over 100,000 books available, you won't have any trouble discovering stories you'll love. You can read the entire comics page, view double-page spreads on screen, double tap to enter guided view, and read immersively on any size device. With Comixology in your backpack or pocket, your comics are always with you.
You need to do what...
To do, guys. That's why we're doing it at 3 a.m. We actually set up surveillance camera in every freaking room of this house in case the home invaders come back to try to attack me, guys. But what I did, guys, I took Baxter's favorite treats. These are his favorite treats. And I put one of these bacon strips by every single camera in this house, guys. Hopefully one of these cameras will actually capture Baxter as a ghost or an actual real dog, guys. Like, hopefully he can actually be summoned, guys. I miss him so freaking much. These are his favorite treats, guys. He goes insane for this. You should see his little tail wagging every time I pull out one of these bacon strips, guys. He goes insane. So before we start today's ritual, guys, I'm actually gonna show you who Baxter is, okay? I got Baxter when he was like 6 weeks old as a very small puppy, guys. And I actually took a picture as soon as I got him. I just fell in love with this this dog, guys. This is that picture, guys. I had just picked him up and brought him in my car, and my girlfriend at the time took the picture of me and Baxter. He's a standard poodle, guys. Like, his hair is so soft and so curly, and he was just the best dog ever, guys. And I know he would do anything to protect me, guys, because sometimes me and my friends would just like play fight, and my dog would go insane, try to bite them and stuff. He just loved me. He would protect me to death. If those people came in my house, if I had Baxter would just bite their throat, guys. Bite them right so freaking hard, guys. But unfortunately, guys, we lived right across from a really busy street, and one day he actually jumped over our fence. I don't know why he did it, guys, but he loved to chase squirrels. So maybe he was chasing a squirrel and he ran across the street and he got hit by a car, guys, at just 6 years old, guys. I went outside, I was like, where's Baxter? And then somebody rang my doorbell saying, is this your dog? And he was dead, guys. He was passed away. It was the most like traumatic thing ever at the time, guys. I was crying my freaking eyes out. I missed him so much. Baxter was my best friend. And about 2 weeks before this, I actually took a picture of him, guys, and this is the picture. I was kissing him, guys. I just love him so freaking much, and I would do anything to have him back, especially after what just happened to me. I have the picture of him on my phone, guys, and we're actually gonna use this picture to help summon him from the grave, because summoning someone from the grave is witchcraft, and it requires some sort of picture or item that had some sort of significance to whoever you're trying to bring back from the grave. So this is the picture we're gonna use for this ritual, guys. I'm gonna put it right down on the table. Have you ever had like an animal that you love, a pet, die, Wesley?
Yeah, I used to have a dog named Cooper. Unfortunately, Cooper had a bit of health issues. I wish that I could just bring him back as well, but first we're gonna try to get Baxter back. Let us know in the comments of what kind of animals you guys used to have as pets, and maybe if this works, then you guys can try this ritual at home as well.
Yeah, guys, this has worked on my dead ex-girlfriend who passed away, so why wouldn't this work with my dog? Like, a dog sounds like way easier to bring back to life than an actual human being. And you know what they say about dogs, guys? They are man's best friend, and that is definitely true. Like, wasn't Cooper your best friend, Wesley?
Well, just like you said, it's a man's best friend.
Believe it or not, guys, we got this chicken right now, and this was Baxter's favorite toy, guys. Oh my god, yo. Honestly, Baxter just destroyed every chicken I got, but this was the last one before he died, guys. Like, he actually bit it one time before this. Normally, one chicken would last 1 day. He would just tear it to shreds. Ooh. But yeah, guys, you just love this noise it makes. Man, this sounds so funny.
Yeah, that's hilarious, man.
This was his toy, guys. The last thing you need for summoning anybody, because it's black magic, guys, you need a black candle. But they didn't have a black candle, so I went to the store and I bought the exact same candles that I used in the house that I owned Baxter in, guys. He used to love these candles, guys. This is like a Glade candle, and it smells like strawberries, guys. Oh my god. Dude, like, I used to use these in my house, and this is what my house smelled like with Baxter, so maybe this is more powerful than the black candle. So I don't know if it's actually gonna work, guys, because we're not using a black candle, but we're still gonna try this ritual. Are you ready, Wes?
Hell yeah, buddy. I am so down to do this ritual right now. I'm very excited. I'm kind of scared at the same time. It is really, really creepy to bring back the dead. You're not supposed to really do this. You're not supposed to mess with this kind of magic, but sometimes you gotta do what you gotta do, right? So let's bring Baxter back to life.
The first thing we need to do to summon back to life my dog Baxter is to light the candle, guys. So that's what we're gonna do right now. And oh my god, yo, this smells amazing, Wes.
It does smell good. It does smell really good.
It smells amazing. Like I said, guys, you need a black candle, but this candle actually has a lot to do with Baxter because we used it in our house. So hopefully it still works, guys. So we're gonna put that down right now. And the next thing I need to do is to bring up the picture of Baxter, guys. You must need a picture of whoever it is you're trying to bring back to life, being a human or a pet. I don't know what else we could try. So if you guys know, let us know in the comments, guys. Maybe we can bring back to life like a tree. I don't know. What else is there to bring back to life, guys?
Sure, man.
Oh my god. Okay, guys, so here he is. We're gonna put this down on the table right here, guys. So we got the chicken here too, and we got the dog treats, guys. But we're gonna do them up because we already put them like everywhere by the surveillance cameras. Hopefully we can capture him on camera after this, guys. But what we need to do now, guys, is we need to chant spirits of the dead, rise up again, return to the place where you began. And we need to chant this over and over and over again until Baxter comes back from the dead. So we're gonna try it right freaking now, guys, okay? We're just gonna pull up this picture right again. All right, perfect. You ready, Wesley?
Yeah, I'm ready.
All right, so it's spirits of the dead, rise up again, return to the place where you began. You ready?
Yep.
All right,
Ready?
3, 2, 1.
Spirits of the dead, rise up again, return to the place where you began. Spirits of the dead, rise up again, return to the place where you began. Spirits of the dead, rise up again, return to the place where you began. Spirits of the dead, rise up again, return to the place where you began. Spirits of the dead, rise up again, return to the place where you began.
Whoa, what the freak? Guys, dude, what the hell? Dude, it sounds like scratching. Listen, we... Dude, there's something up there. There's something there, guys. It sounds like scratching at the door, like a dog or something.
Should we go check it out?
I don't know. Maybe it's Baxter. Do you think it's Baxter?
It probably is, dude. It has to be Baxter.
Oh,
Like, I don't know.
my God. He's really trying to get in right now. Oh, my God. I'm honestly like, dude, this is crazy, guys. Oh, my God. Do you hear that? Oh, my God. Should I open it, dude?
Yeah. Open it.
Oh, my gosh. Baxter? Dude, there's nothing there. Baxter? There's nothing freaking there, dude. Like, nothing at all, guys. Dude, there's nothing. Oh my God. Dude, that sounds like the freaking chicken. Wait. Dude, what the hell? That sounds like the freaking chicken. Where's the chicken? What the hell?
It's gone, man.
No way, guys. The chicken is gone. That is his favorite toy. No way. No freaking way, dude. Whoa, how did it get there?
I have no idea.
Bro,
That's so weird.
I'm honestly freaking out right now,
Bro,
dude.
this is so freaking weird.
That's his favorite toy,
man. This is really weird.
Oh my
This
God.
is- Where do you think he...
Whoa, what happened?
I downloaded this quality game. You can just kind of play and win prizes. I am obsessed with this. Yes! I finally got it! I just got him. Their plushies just look so cute and they're always so soft. I've been absolutely in love with it. It's so fun.
What happened, Wes? Dude, what just happened? Dude, let me in. Dude, what the hell happened, Wes? Oh my God. Dude, what happened? Oh my God. Bro, what happened?
Son of a...
Dude, what's wrong, Wesley?
Dude, I felt like something bit my leg.
No way. Something bit your leg?
Feels like something bit my leg.
Oh my God, bro. Yo,
Is it a mark or something?
what the hell? Dude, where did he bite you?
Dude,
like
it
right
felt
here?
Like it was on my calf, bro.
Bro, there's no mark. Maybe it's because it was through your pants or something.
Is there any holes?
Bro, I don't know, but Baxter like hates strangers, bro. Like he was a good guard dog. That's what I was talking about.
Maybe like thought I was some like intruder or
I don't know, maybe Baxter came in, dude. Maybe we should check the cameras and see if he's actually here, guys.
Bro.
This is crazy. I didn't see any like dogs or anything. I didn't see. Did you see
I didn't
anything?
see anything at all. Maybe we should check the cameras or something.
Yeah, we gotta check the cameras, guys. I have the actual cameras, like, able to stream off of my phone. We can, like, actually live view it off of my phone, so I gotta go get my phone.
Yeah, you're gonna get your phone?
Yeah, I'll be right back, guys.
Alright, okay, go.
Wait, bro, I got it.
You got it?
Okay, guys, so we can stream any of the cameras off of my phone, guys. Like, this is the craziest thing about these cameras. You can just stream it off of the phone.
We gotta look at them right now.
Bro.
Dude, I definitely felt something like bite my leg or something.
I know, that's why I'm freaking out, and the toy was moved. Shh. Bro, okay, I'm gonna tell. Yeah, I hear that. It sounds like there's something there. Okay, wait, I'm just gonna I'm gonna pull this up right now. I'm gonna just like see it on the freaking phone. I just need to find the app for the cameras. It's somewhere.
Wait, bro, I hear it again, Jay. It sounds like it's right by her.
I definitely freaking hear it, dude. Yo!
Dude, Jay,
What the hell was that?
What is going on, dude?
now, guys.
Dude, shut the door. Dude, shut the door.
Oh my god. Oh my god. Bro, what do you think that freaking was, dude?
That's probably Baxter, though, dude.
It was Baxter?
Dude, yeah, I think it worked. It had to have worked.
Dude, I heard like pause. I only wish that we could have saw the footage before the door opened like that.
We gotta look at it, dude. We gotta check it
Oh
out.
my god.
Sure.
That is freaking crazy, guys.
It freaking attacks me again, man.
I don't know. Do you think it's like
tell
in here?
Baxter I'm your friend or something?
Baxter! Wesley's okay. Wesley's my friend, Baxter.
That hurt me again, man.
Bro, I don't know if he's in here or not.
Oh, can you hear anything?
No?
Can you hear?
This is freaking crazy. Whoa, dude, Dude, wait. This is her barking. Did you hear that?
Bro. Now I'm scared. I'm kind of scared. What if he's aggressive? What if he's like not actually Baxter? What if he's like an evil version of Baxter?
Oh, there it is again! God. Bro. I'm thinking you're right. Like, maybe it is an evil version of
You're
Baxter.
supposed to bring back the dead because I heard that they just don't ever come back the same, man.
I know.
Oh, we should have done this.
I know.
Jay, we should not have done this. Guys, do not do this ritual. This is dangerous.
Yeah, guys, but there's definitely something out there, and I think it's Baxter. I'm gonna pull up these cameras right now, and we're gonna take a look. Okay, guys, we got the cameras pulled up right now, and I don't see anything, dude. There's nothing out there.
I don't really see anything right now.
Dude,
Dude, there he is.
Oh, he's on the tree.
Yeah,
Oh my god, guys, he's like see-through. He's a ghost.
That's so weird, dude. How is we can't even capture this on camera right now?
Bro, maybe he's gonna get the other one, guys. I'm gonna go to the other room. Oh my god.
There he is. There he goes. There he
Oh my god, guys, he got both the treats. He loves those treats.
Dude.
I can't believe he's actually out
good.
there.
Say it again, man.
Man, I miss him so much, bro. We gotta go to see him.
Do you think we should?
Bro, I think we
hopefully he's not
should.
biting again.
We gotta go out there and see him,
Bro,
bro.
what if he bites me again?
Bro, I'm worried that he's gonna bite you.
Yeah, I'll just like stay close by. Maybe he won't.
Oh my god, this is crazy, guys. He's actually there, Baxter. Oh my god, guys, let's go see him. This is freaking crazy.
Okay, alright.
Oh my god.
Okay, let's do this.
Baxter? Hello? Do you see this?
No, I don't see him. I don't even hear anything.
Hello? The chicken's still there?
Yeah, the chicken's on the ground.
Dude, maybe, I got a good idea.
What's up?
Bro, maybe I should get a treat and like see if I can call him with the treat.
Yeah, that's a good idea, man.
Oh my god.
Okay, here we go.
Baxter? Oh, I see him. Okay, here's the
Oh.
treats right here, guys.
Okay, there we
These
go.
are the treats. He just loves these treats, guys. You saw on the camera, like he went in and got them.
Yeah, man, you both just step it out, you know, but maybe just like hold it out or something. Yeah.
Okay, I'm gonna hold it out.
Okay.
We're gonna see if he's gonna come.
Okay.
Baxter!
Baxter!
Come here, boy!
Hey, bud, don't bite me again!
Yeah, don't bite Wesley! Baxter! Oh my god!
Dude, there he is!
Baxter! Hey, sit! Sit, Baxter!
Oh my god! Oh my god, dude!
Oh! Took the tree! Where are you going, Baxter?
Baxter, where you going?
Oh my god, he's right there!
Come here, bud!
Baxter, come here, boy!
Back.
Come here, boy! Come here!
Baxter not coming!
Come here, boy! Baxter, this is crazy, guys!
Dude, I can't believe it worked!
Oh my god! Baxter, please, come here, boy!
Baxter! Hey! Dude!
Just freaking disappeared! He just disappeared! Go back! Go back, Baxter! Oh my god, he was right there, guys! He was right there. He took the tree right out of my freaking hand, guys! Oh my god, that's insane!
Baxter, yeah, come here, bud!
Baxter! I gotta go see him. Like, he just disappeared by the freaking walkway.
Okay, dude, let's go see him,
Oh
bro.
my god! Dude, where did he go? He disappeared!
I don't know.
Baxter!
Baxter, bud!
Bro, where did he go? Is he in here?
man.
Oh my god!
No, dude.
Guys, where did he go? That's
don't know.
insane! Dude, he's gone. Like, he just disappeared after I fed him?
Yeah, that's
Oh my
weird.
God.
Maybe he just like was waiting until you fed him his last treat, you know?
What the hell? He's gone. Oh my god. Guys, let's smash the like button right now, guys. Let's hit 40,000 likes for Bachelor. That's insane, guys. Like, that was my dead dog. I love him so freaking much, guys. Let me know if you guys have a dead pet or something, and hopefully you guys can actually bring them back to life, guys. Let me know if you tried it. We are almost at 5 million subscribers, guys. Go follow my boy Wesley Killingsworth on Instagram at Wesley Killingsworth. He just got bit by my dog. Dude, that was crazy. That really hurt.
hurt, but like there was nothing there, which is really weird, man. Maybe I was experiencing like phantom pain or something. I don't know how all that stuff works. That's crazy that we got to see Baxter today. I'm so happy for Jay. This is crazy, guys. Like this video, please like this video, and don't forget to subscribe.
Yeah, guys, Baxter was here when they did this to me, guys. But the police are investigating it so much, and they told me don't talk about it anymore because it could interfere with them getting arrested, guys. If I tell you what the police are doing, it could give them time to come up with fake stories to cover their tracks, guys. So I gotta just remain quiet until they get arrested, guys. But after that, I'm gonna show you guys all the proof you guys need to see, so you guys will know that I'm telling the truth, guys. That was the scariest thing, and I will not talk about it after today, guys. Smash the like button. I'll see you guys in the next one, J Nation. Nobody is stopping us from winning, guys. I'll see you in the next one.
Yes, just hold on. Thanks for watching, bye.